Another tool in a portrait is skin for improving and enhancing the skin and clear acne, moles, or other problems that occur in your face. First slider of skin with AI is amount. It's automatically enhanced, and as you can see, it's blurring some part of your image. Overall face, it's smoothing, as you can see. Nice. Shine removal. In some part of the face, it has to be some unnatural shine. It removed that. In some cases, it's good. Yeah, in this case, we don't have any shine. In some cases, we have overall lighting in our face, and it's removed that. With one click, you can activate skin defects removal. It's remove all of the problem acne moles on your face with one click. Let's try it. Boom, as you can see, it remove all of that acne automatically. Nice. And after that, you can simply smooth your face easily. Nice. It is very automatically retouch your face with one slider, one click. It's impressive. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.